Peller. I hear he was born in Ikorodu. Itailewa, which place? Peller. To present the award to young Mr. Peller is Miss Supranational herself, a beauty queen, a very Dide. Omoboto wa ti mo wo we.
O di dandan ko bagbaja.
Presenting the award. You will receive the award, and after you receive the award, you will talk small. Then you will go with Jarvis. Then me and her will go this way. You go there. Are we okay? You all right? Go ahead.
Well, here you go. Congratulations on all your endeavors, and I wish you the best.
I'm speechless. Everybody. Okay. I'm so sorry. I did not prepare. I don't know people will be lost like this. Okay. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Sifabed. God bless you. I don't know I will win this award. My contestants are very strong, and I did it with my baby over here. It's so powerful, and we have it together. Yes, come and speak. Let me go do this.
Thank you, Silverbed. Thank you, everybody that is here. Thank you for your support. We love and appreciate all of you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, the governor. Thank you, the president, Mr. Sanwo-Olu. God bless you, sir. Every head pausing. God bless you. And my fans, they try for me. Everywhere, they don't enter the YouTube, they don't spoil everywhere. God bless you. You guys are too. See the white, you understand? So,
hello, my fans. Anything you are doing in this life, please try to put more effort, 100% effort. Can you? I swear to God, Peller doesn't expect that he is going to meet our able governor Sanwo-Olu this year at all. He doesn't expect it at all, but his glory is so unexplainable. Please subscribe, like and comment, because this award, silver award, is a very big award. This guy is really doing good. 2025 will be a glorious year for you and I. Please subscribe, like and comment. Let's continue watching. Thank you. Peller Ogonie, you shall never like, you shall never fall. Subscribe.
Get this award. Yes, I'm feeding my award. This is the real award, you guys see. I swear to God, I love this. Sifabed, God bless you. I swear. Say it's fine. I go put it to my new house. I go put it in the parlor. You go buy my baby, we did this. You get consent, but we did shop out there. Pass it to you. Baby, they talk to you. Oh, interview, okay. So, is this live or what? Okay. Get this